Hello, K. Jolie, Crochet Basics, and this is a preview vlog I've been doing. This is lucky number 15. I call them all lucky, don't I? 15 on the vlog train, so I'm pretty excited that I'm still getting them done and getting them in and stuff. That, you know, because life gets in the way and all of that stuff. So, I'm not up to too much this week, actually. I'm making a different version of Trevor, just to see if I can adjust to, something and just, you know, make it a little bit more to my liking. I also started working on another character from the series, so working up the pattern and stuff, you know. So just before, you know, like I finalize it and stuff, because usually I'll work it up maybe like 3 times, sometimes more, just the bits and bobs and stuff like that. So sometimes I'll just work it up, you know, work it up as I go, and then as I write up the pattern and stuff, and then if I think later on when I remake it, if I think of different adjustments or something to make it easier, you know, for other people to make, or even for me to, you know, remake it, you know, because sometimes there's little complications or little things, you know, the way you attach and stuff like that. So I'm always trying to make the patterns as easy as possible. You know, even though these are more advanced patterns that I've been doing on these characters and stuff like that, you know. So I really don't know what else to say. I've just been going about my daily, you know, stuff and everything, and you know, trying to work on and do spring cleaning also, because it's time. So I've been filling up donation bags and stuff like that, you know. And really just that, you know. So, but I'm pretty happy that, like, you know, I've set up, and it's number 15 on the vlog train. Don't break the chain. And again, if you haven't read the book, James Clear, Atomic Habits, pick that up, or do an audio book or whatever it is. It's really good. Even the factoids, the little factoids and things he gives you in it, I really like. I love stuff like that, you know. I'm always trying to, like, watch documentaries and stuff like that, because I find so many things, like, I find fascinating, you know, like they don't go into depth, like, you know, like you hear, like, people say, like, oh, you know, whatever it is, but I like, you know, knowing little factoids and stuff like that, little weirdo things, you know, you don't think of and stuff like that. So I love watching documentaries. I don't know what else. I think that's it. That's it for this one, number 15. Short and sweet, hopefully. And I guess that's where I'm at. So, thank you so much for watching, as always. Happy hooking, because it keeps you off the streets and keeps you out of trouble and stuff like that. And Trevor will be up there shortly, and the other character I'll be showing off next Wednesday, which will be here, like, you know, that, because I swear these Wednesdays just sneak up on me now. Alright, so thank you so much. Have a super duper great day, night, whatever it is. Enjoy, and happy crocheting as always. Take care now. Bye.